3 heat shells. It's pretty funny. Ouch. Right. Yeah, I do that in the hotel room sometimes too. Oh, I don't care. I'm up for anything. I'm actually, I've had a really bad kind of week with tanking, so it's finally opened up today. I think I've only lost 2 all day, so I probably can play just about anything right now. Sure. Give me Conrad and I had a decent one the other day, but I haven't looked up what the I know we got 2 T29s, which is 2 aces, but I haven't looked past that. Yeah, I don't care either way. 6 or 7. It is. It is. Well, there's just so many premiums out there. You pick. I don't really care. All right. Seems good. It's a gamble. I mean, even in the game setups, so you just never know what you're gonna get. Yeah, like this, we could only get 4 cards, so. It's just, yeah, it's just tough. I think probably the best strategy, but they're not the best tanks, is a tier 6 preferential. But there's only a couple of them and they're not that great, so it's kind of it's tough to decide. Tier 7 preferential gives you good odds too, but still not very good at tanks. You're talking about the AT-15 or the M10. No, that seems overrated. I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, I know. Oh, that was just about perfect. Kind of thought he'd run away. There he goes. Ooh, ISU's trying to push to the right. I think he's found someone else to shoot. Yeah, we got all the big guns, that's for sure. Luckily our team's in an issue. Yes, it is. Nice. Oh, Black Prince is looking at us. Oh, we're dead. Never mind. Oh, right as I hit the button. Well, you were a little more exposed than I was, so let me shoot more. Got targeted. Yeah, let's run a couple at 7 and see how it goes. This is easy tanks to rack up kills with. Oh, this is better. Only one tank on that list isn't a card, so that's good. I don't remember what the IS is, though. Yeah, not an ace, but...
Let's go!
Yes, they do. Just don't get shot and we'll be fine. I meant to ask just because I was playing with it a little bit today. It hasn't come up too much yet, but I know we have a couple people working on rerolls. Are we gonna want those in clan, or are we gonna keep them out if people want to have 2 accounts in?
Enemy is hit. Punched right through their armor.
See that.
Penetration.
So it didn't matter yet. I have one I'm casually working on, and it made me think about it today. Nice.
Nice shot. Enemy on fire.
That was a terrible shot.
Penetration.
Oh, both the ISs are down below us.
Penetration. Punched right through their armor.
Getting.
Enemy armor is damaged.
Oh, someone stole it.
We didn't penetrate their armor.
Man, just missing. Forget it.
The truck is damaged.
Now. It bounced everything off this tank. No, it's not.